Samsung is gearing up to launch One UI 7, and there's so much to be excited about. From groundbreaking AI features to a fresh design, this update promises to bring big improvements. Let's explore all the details, leaks, and features you need to know. Samsung is reportedly working on an AI-powered video object eraser. You might already know about the object eraser for photos, where you can remove unwanted parts of a picture with a simple edit. Now, Samsung is reportedly working on bringing this to videos. This is a huge step forward because editing videos is much trickier than editing photos. The feature uses AI to delete objects from moving frames and fill in the background seamlessly. While this won't be available right away, it's expected to roll out with the Galaxy S25 series and later come to devices like the Galaxy S23 and S24. Samsung is putting a lot of emphasis on AI for this update, and there are some exciting features to look forward to. One of these is Galaxy AI Notifications, which will provide smart summaries of your notifications to help save time. Another is AI Briefing, a personalized dashboard that gathers your favorite news, messages, weather updates, and more in one place. For gamers, there's AI Game Assist, designed to boost your gaming performance by improving FPS for a smoother experience. Additionally, AI camera features will make capturing photos and videos easier than ever. Another big update we're hearing about is a brand new design. Samsung is revamping the interface with new icons, an improved control panel, and a smoother overall experience. While we're all excited about One UI 7, some users are still waiting for updates for other devices. For example, stable updates for Galaxy Watch 6, 5, and 4 are still in the works, and there's no clear timeline yet. Samsung seems to be prioritizing their phone updates first, which makes sense given the scale of the changes. Right now, Samsung is conducting internal testing, and several Galaxy models running Android 15 have already appeared on Geekbench. These include devices like the Galaxy A55, which scored 1,161 in single-core and 3,690 in multi-core tests. This shows that Samsung is making steady progress on the update. And here's some exciting news for Galaxy S23 users. Samsung has officially started internal testing for One UI 7. A leak by Tarun Vats revealed the first test build is already spotted on the server, marking a big step forward in bringing this update closer to release. Recently, the Galaxy S24 FE was also spotted on Geekbench running One UI 7 on Android 15, and the performance scores are impressive. According to Tarun Vats, this device scored 2,092 in single-core and 6,287 in multi-core tests on Geekbench. These numbers show that the phone performs better than the Galaxy S23 model, which is great news for anyone considering upgrading. With these scores, the Galaxy S24 FE looks like a solid performer, especially with the upcoming software enhancements. The One UI 7 beta program is just around the corner for the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung has announced that the beta will launch before the end of the year, with the stable version arriving alongside the Galaxy S25 series next year. It's not yet confirmed if the Galaxy S24 FE will be part of the One UI 7 beta program, but if it is, we can expect the update to arrive just a few days after the flagship models. This means Galaxy S24 FE users won't have to wait too long to enjoy all the new features and enhancements. Initially, there were whispers about a mid-November release, but that didn't happen. Samsung might announce the beta during their SDC Korea event on November 21st. The Galaxy S24 series recently got a November update, which could be paving the way for the beta rollout. Ice Universe recently shared mixed updates about One UI 7 beta. In the first tweet, they expressed concerns over the beta's smooth launch, citing numerous bugs, including animation issues and newly introduced errors. They also mentioned Samsung's struggle to address past shortcomings within a short time frame. However, the follow-up tweet struck a more reassuring tone, clarifying that these issues don't undermine the aim of making One UI more powerful. They emphasized that Samsung is focused on ensuring the beta release is as polished as possible, encouraging fans not to worry. For those planning to upgrade, the Galaxy S25 series is where things get really exciting. It's expected to ship with One UI 7.1, meaning early access to new features like the Video Object Eraser. Other models, like the S24 and S23, will likely get this feature later through updates. To sum it up, One UI 7.0 beta should arrive by the end of 2024, and One UI 7.1 will likely debut with the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. Is it the Video Object Eraser, the AI features, or the fresh design? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.